Would you like a way to start every morning by making your skin look younger and feel more refreshed and energized? Hi, my name is Fumiko and I'm the founder of the Face Yoga Method. And in this video, I want to share a morning routine that will leave you feeling radiant all day long with a youthful, healthy glow. Before we go into the details, the best morning routine for your skin, let's talk about the definition of younger skin. My definition of younger skin has nothing to do with age. To me, as a Face Yoga Method practitioner, younger skin means youthful looking, healthy skin. With this definition, you can get healthy skin at any age. I love this quote from Eleanor Roosevelt, an American political figure, diplomat, and activist. She said, "Today is the oldest you have ever been, and the youngest you will ever be again." So, the skin you have today right now is the youngest skin you will ever have again. Why not pay attention to your morning routine and wake up feeling refreshed, recharged, and ready for the day with this morning routine? If you do this every morning, your skin will look more radiant and you will glow all day long because you look great and feel great inside. Doing your face yoga routine in the morning wakes you up, provides your skin with fresh, oxygenated blood and nutrients your skin needs to stay healthy and glowing. It also reduces stiffness and muscle tension, and you feel fantastic. This means it's easier for you to smile during the day. Like Mother Teresa said, "Let us always meet each other with a smile, for the smile is the beginning of love." Smile in your heart and in your face. You will feel more love toward others and toward yourself. Before we go any further, I want to thank you for watching this video. Face Yoga Method is all about creating amazing transformations that turn back the clock and give you a beautiful, youthful looking face that glows with confidence. If you want to join me for more face yoga poses, tips, exercises, and pro-aging secrets, then please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share these videos with any friend that you think would love them. It really does help grow our channel and spread the wonderful practice of face yoga. Now, let's try a couple of poses together. The first pose is tapping. While waking up, this works like magic. You can do this pose while you are still in bed. Tapping is a great technique for applying skincare products gently and pressing them into the skin too. Let's do tapping together. Center of the forehead, keep breathing, relax your shoulders, move your fingers aside, back to center. You can move your fingers randomly like you playing the piano. Okay. Now, under eyes, relax your shoulders, keep breathing. I love it. Now, the space between your nose and upper lip, nasolabial, chin, along your jaw, and sides of the neck. Take a deep breath and come out. Close your eyes for a few seconds. How do you feel? Do you feel some sensations? You feel more awake and fresh and ready to go for your day? Do you feel more centered and calmer? And repeat as you like. Speaking of applying the products while doing face yoga method poses, it takes your skin to the next level. Here are the examples of how I do it. Let's start with the oxygen plasma. I like to do a pose called the Big O, which improves blood circulation massively while applying oxygen plasma. The 100% pure oxygen plasma mimics the blood's ability to carry oxygen and transport large volumes of oxygen into the tissue. So, can you imagine what happens when you combine the Big O and 100% pure oxygen plasma? Vibrant, younger looking skin! The oxygen plasma is my mother's favorite product, and every time I go visit her in Japan, I will give her a couple of bottles as a gift. She loves them. After applying the plasma, apply whipped oxygen moisturizing cream for soft, brighter skin with a silky finish. Oh, wait! We cannot forget our neck. Yes, the neck skin ages and sags just as the facial skin. In fact, the skin on your neck is so thin and has less collagen than skin on other parts of your face and body. That means neck shows signs of aging even before your face does. So, it is important to pay attention to your neck and treat your neck as an extension of your face. One of the great poses to do while applying skincare products on your neck is the Swan Neck pose. The Swan Neck pose reduces tightness in your neck area, upper back, and the shoulder area too. And it tightens up your neck and jawline and reduces saggy neck and double chin. On top of all these great benefits, this pose really feels good. So why not apply plasma, moisturizing cream, or any of your favorite skincare products on your neck and do the pose to give your neck double benefits? Is your skincare empowering you? Big Beauty has its grips on aging and our beauty. They've made aging unfashionable and have put labels on our skin like oily skin, dry skin, aging skin, etc. But the truth is, your skin is an outer expression of your inner world, and it's communicating with you. It's time to understand the truth about skincare. What works, what doesn't work, and how to know what's right for you. Imagine having the knowledge, tools, and resources you need to understand your skin. How do you look? How do you feel? Do you feel empowered? Get expert skincare knowledge with the free 5-day challenge, Empower Your Beauty. From collagen and derma rolling to washing your face and choosing your products, we are going to lead you through every step of your empowered skincare journey during our free 5-day challenge, Empower Your Beauty. It's time to change the way we see aging. Time to truly understand what products and method will really deliver results and what's worthy of a place in your life. Click the link in the description to start your empowered beauty journey right now. By exercising your muscles, you can lift your face naturally. I want to show you a very simple 60-second skincare routine. It literally lifts up your mood. The jawline is one of the easiest places on the face to get results.